Good morning, children. Today's lesson is GK lesson on birds. You've all seen birds, no, children? Birds are the ones that fly in the sky. Okay, birds have wings, birds have beaks, they have two legs. Okay, they come in different colors and sizes, each make a different sound. Okay, now Miss is going to read the question and answers from this lesson. Question 1. How do birds fly? Answer. Birds fly with their wings. Birds fly with their wings. Question 2. Name some common birds. Answer. Crow, parrot, pigeon. Crow, parrot, pigeon. Question 3. How do birds eat? Answer. Birds eat with their beaks. Birds eat with their beaks. Question 4. Name 3 birds that cannot fly. Answer. Ostrich, kiwi, penguin. Ostrich, kiwi, penguin. Okay, children, these are lesson about the birds, common things in a bird. Okay, children, you have to learn these questions. Thank you.